Hey everyone, Forrest here, still in Zone 5, still in the mitten. I guess you guys are wondering why I let you know that. I've watched a few videos and gotten information from people like, wow, that's really good, but where are they at? You know, what zone are they in? So I know what their weather is like compared to my weather. So that's why I do that. Anyways, I wanted to share with you guys, one of my kids got up and said, hey, let's go shopping, it's crummy out. So I got my pink on and I headed out, and of course I had to check out and see what kind of plants were there, and I got a deal. Okay, these are like really cool. They're $9.98, or originally $9.98, and they like got marked down to $3 and then $1. Isn't that awesome? So I'm like, okay, I'll take them all. I think I'm gonna hang them in the garden room, maybe in the kitchen. We're getting ready to redo the kitchen. But if you notice in there, they've got like this dead looking moss stuff. You know, so it kind of looks like it's dead in there, and then like this stuff that's glued in. And obviously, because I'm pulling it out, I'm going to pull all that out of there. They do glue these plants down, so I'm not quite sure how I'm going to deal with getting all that moss stuff out without hurting the plant. They were really dry when I got them, so I got my sprayer and I've misted them. So they're starting to bounce back health-wise. They all look really good. I mean, look at that. It's like a big dead limb in there. This one's a little bit harder to pull out, but it's glued in there too. It was a living plant at one time. I don't think it was living for this. I think they're trying to do like arrangements in here. I don't mind the green moss. I think that looks pretty cool, but that yellow one's got to go. This one has yellow in it too. But I got 6 of them for $6. Yay me. Again, I think I might hang them up here or in the kitchen. I don't know. Maybe do a giveaway on them. That would be cool. But y'all have a happy holidays. I'm going to sit here and eat my little donut dunkers. I know they look like huge turds, don't they? But they're good. They're called chocolate dunkers, and I didn't find them till I was here in Michigan. And they're like kind of like a donut cake inside, and then I can dunk them in my chocolate thing, my coffee, my chocolate coffee. So y'all have a nice one. I'll talk to you later, and see you on the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.